All right, so here we go. Here we go. This is actually Ruby. Hopefully, I can see Ruby, Ruby cheat sheets right now. Doing a little code war. Glad to be on the Twitch. Glad to stream on Twitch. You know, this is not a streaming session. Hopefully, I'll learn about it. New first letter. All right, let me go ahead and copy and paste like so. See how fast I'll be able to finish this. It's gonna take a lot of thinking on my part, and just set up the. All right, so move the first letter. All right, so you have to be able to. Okay, so if it's a punctuation mark, then we don't do anything with it. But if it's not, right, we gotta. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. All right, so first things first. What I want to do is I want to go ahead and try to split this up. Like take the whole world. Really wonder how I'm gonna go about dealing with punctuation. It could be like UTF-8 or ASCII uh conversion chart. I think there is. I have to look that up. Um, right, the text are going parentheses if I want to go ahead and removing those. And then just to help me identify these as strings, I always like to use that Ruby syntax. The text splits. That is space. Actually, I won't be able to type the space. All right. All right. So I'm able to split them all up. All right. So let me just set that because there's going to be a lot of operations here. So call it target. I'll use target collect. Oh no. And then what I want to do is I just want to be able to take the first letter. I needed to take that first letter and then pop it to the back. Right. So shit. Okay, and even though I kind of feel like there's an easy way about this, let me just actually return X. So 0. All right, I gotta go wrap that up. Let's see how this goes. Okay. All right, so then I say bank slice and I return X, which I ended up getting. Just wanna know. Hello world. Right, so I gotta go ahead and I gotta take that. All right, so letter. Okay, X slice at index 0, and then X. Can I do a little join? Can we do that? X join. I think that's with arrays. I think I could just do X plus first. I'm really just thinking arrays in this case. Let me see what I get. Right. Good. And now I just want to add a Y to it. right? And now if it's punctuation, I think the true test, if it's punctuation, the order exact rules, right? So if it's a punctuation mark, then I, well, that's it. No, I'm actually gonna. All right. Yep. All right. So I actually need that library probably. All right. This is not. Oh yeah, regex is definitely one way to do it. I was looking for a range because JavaScript and Python allows you to change things into like an ASCII code or UTF-8 code. I'll try this instead. All right, so and there this goes. Yeah, always want to return X. Oh, that's how that works. Here we come close. All right. So I think I got it. I'm just gonna have to. I'm just gonna try it and see if it works. That's it. I think we got it. Oh, right. I gotta turn this thing back to a string. So I say target dot join join. All right, good. And then even so, just to be more efficient, right? I could just do join like that. Let me see how that goes. All right, slowly copy like so. Since what I like about Ruby, for code blocks, you can actually add methods to them. Where like code blocks is another piece of data type, not like um. Wow, all right, that's good. All right, so that's really good. Um, yeah, and little things really. That's just my favorite part about Ruby, right? Like places where brackets go, like they really expect to add an extra method to them, right? You could just go ahead and I wonder if this will work too. I'll just be performing. But code blocks, they act like they're actual pieces of data, not just your regular one in the mill. Irregular. That's all. They're just brackets and that's it. Let's see if this works. Oh, yeah, right. You got it. Put this in parentheses. I just want to see if this works. Make it more interesting, right? So now I didn't even need that variable, which is nice, right? I'm listening to that code instead. Right? That's why I like it. Really, just things get to be so much shorter. And then I think I can make these even shorter if I could just say x dot split dot collect a bit shorter, right? Right. Even there, wow, boom, just try to get rid of all the try to make this thing performing, right? So definitely, definitely one thing when people have challenges, you just kind of want to use functions that actually return different data types. You don't want to be putting everything into variables. Makes things even shorter. Let me see that. Let me see the time. Right. Oh wow, that was actually faster. That's interesting. Huh. What happened when I did this? Oh, right. Oh, it was slower. Wait, let's see the final attempt. Right. So it seemed to be in that case. Wow, that seemed to be faster. That's interesting. But I'm gonna just do it the most clever way. And now let's go ahead and submit it. That's okay. And then this is just like the use of regex. Regex is always so important. What can I do? Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.